Chef Irfan Pabaney, country head of Sodabottleopenerwala. So today we're going to be doing a garlic pav with the pav bhaji mix and cheese. So this is a slight variation on the pav bhaji. We are going to be using the mother's ready to cook pav bhaji mix. So you can bring home the same flavors of the pav bhaji that you would get from your favorite pav bhaji joint just by using the mother's recipe pav bhaji mix. It's absolutely fabulous. Everything that you find in your favorite pav bhaji place is available right at home with this. We've got the pav. I've got some grated cheese, chopped garlic. I've got butter. I've got some finely chopped tomatoes, some boiled green peas, some boiled cauliflower, boiled potatoes, boiled carrots, some diced green peppers, and some kothmeer. And of course the mother's recipe, pav bhaji mix. I have decided to boil everything separately and mash it along with the mother's recipe pav bhaji mix. So a little bit of butter, my capsicum, my tomatoes, the easiest, most convenient product to use is the mother's recipe pav bhaji mix. Comes in a packet. This is so good. It takes you straight back to your favorite pav bhaji joint. This needs absolutely no masala and no salt at all. We're gonna add the mother's recipe pav bhaji mix into that, and we're gonna let that cook down for about 2 or 3 minutes. That smells so good. So now I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons each of each vegetable. That's 2 of green peas, 2 of potato, 2 or 3 of potato, 2 tablespoons of carrots, 2 tablespoons of cauliflower. We're gonna cook that down. I am now going to mash this up just a little bit. Now I'm gonna add about 200 ml of water. 200 to 250 ml. And now I'm gonna just let that cook down for about 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, so now we're gonna taste this. Okay, this is so good. And the best part about mother's recipe pav bhaji mix is that it's chemical free. It has no artificial flavors at all, has no preservatives. It has salt, it has oil, it's got all natural ingredients, just absolutely fabulous. And the best part about this, it cuts down your cooking time to under 15 minutes because all you need to do is add boiled vegetables, mash it down, a little water, and you are sorted. So like any other pav bhaji, best thing to do with pav, chopped onions, coriander, lemon juice, just absolutely fabulous. I'm doing a variation, so I'm going to show that to you in just a minute. So very similar to a garlic bread, except we're using pav. You do a garlic butter on the pav and you toast it, gets a nice brown color. Then we're going to put the pav bhaji mix on top with cheese and put it into the oven once again, and it's just going to be absolutely fabulous. Using the pav bhaji mix from mother's recipe was just so easy. Had my vegetables, made a mixture of this, cooked it all together, and in 15 minutes we were done. So versatile, so quick, and so easy to use. I would highly recommend it.
Love is the flavor you just can't do without. Mother's recipe. Taste the love.